The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in west central Mississippi, Sequanna County in west central Mississippi, Sharkey County in west central Mississippi, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milliken to near Alsatia to 6 miles southeast of Bakers, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Grace, Eagle Bend, and Feitler around 1:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Onward around 1:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Rolling Fork, Valley Park, Anguilla, and Yuma around 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Vicksburg around 1:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Bovine around 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Daylight Time. Junction around 1:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mayersville and Cary. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Central, northwestern and west central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service